I hope you're all feeling gold and great, and if you're not, you're about to, because today we are making my current favorite breakfast. This one I call my poached egg and avo smash toast, and I know you guys will absolutely love this one. If you have been following, if you know, you know. If you've been watching the vids and vlogs, you know that I love my quinoa chocolate cherry muffins that I get from the Big Carrot in Toronto. I have one every day. These muffins have been my staple breakfast for over a year now, so for me to change it up, you bet that this is a good one. This poached egg and avo smash toast is absolutely delicious. It is healthy, it is high protein, it is so fueling and fulfilling. Of course, as always, both gluten and dairy free, and absolutely so quick and easy to make. Without more blab, I'm hungry. Let's get it. Let's get to smashing. So guys, things you will need for this one, of course, a couple eggs, and we will get to poaching these in the microwave. A very quick way of poaching I will show you guys how to do in just a minute. You will need, of course, a slice of bread. My choice here for the moment is this whole grain wide slice gluten-free bread by the brand The Northern Bakehouse. I am absolutely loving this one. I love the flavor, I love the taste. It holds up very well, and we will get to toasting this one in just a minute, or go on and pop your toast in the toaster, get it all toasty for a minute while we smash up the rest of our ingredients. You will need half an avocado. You will need some scallions, chives, or green onion here. You will need a dash of some apple cider vinegar. I love this Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. I try to get a shot of apple cider vinegar in a day. It has so many nutritional benefits. You will need some lemon juice here, just a little bit, maybe a little less than half a lemon squeezed out here. For spices and seasonings, you will need some black pepper. You will need some Himalayan pink salt, or just regular table salt, sea salt, whatever you prefer. And optional here, some paprika. I like this to add some spice, a little kick. And then optional for toppers, we have some Good Food for Good ketchup. This is my favorite health food ketchup here. It is sweetened only by dates, so I am loving this one. This is by the brand Good Food for Good. I love them so much, and I rebuy this one. It is a staple in my fridge. As well, or some leftover smoked salmon that I have. I like to top this breakfast, this toast up with some smoked salmon, so I'll probably do this one today, but either or is amazing and delicious. Let's get to smashing it up. So moving on over to our poaching station I've set up over here. I like to do my poaching in the microwave. It only takes a couple minutes. You can do 2 eggs at once, so I will show you guys how I do that. Starting with some cold water. You'll need about 1.5 cups of cold water. I measured it out, so I'm just gonna go on and pour that in here. That's looking all right there. You'll need about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of just some white vinegar here. I get this one at Dollarama, very cheap, anyone will do. But before the vinegar, you're going to want to crack your 2 eggs into that cold water. Go on and add in your little bit of vinegar here. And just with my finger, I like to just give things a little swirl just to mix things up. Now go on and pop your bowl, your mixture here on into the microwave. That's what we're gonna do here, and I just set that for about 3.5 minutes, remembering to cover the bowl with a plate. And of course, as you know, this is a microwave safe dish. Remember that, keep that in mind for when you're poaching your eggs in the microwave. Safety first. Okay, and now obviously these will be super hot coming out. Fresh out of the microwave here, you can see these have cooked up to the point where the yolk is now relatively hard. Not hard, but cooked all the way through. What I do is I like to lay out a couple sheets of paper towel here, and directly from the hot bowl here, spoon out my eggs and lay them out on this couple layer of paper towels. Carefully spooning out the eggs. And oftentimes I have to fish out some of the whites, but just drain the water from that with a more flat spoon like I'm doing here, and get as much as you can of the whites out, because that is the high protein that we're needing, fueling and fulfilling protein we're needing for this breakfast. You don't want to waste anything here. So after you've done that, go on and let your eggs cool, put your bowl into the sink, all that stuff, get to cleaning as you're going. I find that's the best thing to do, the most time saving. Let these cool as they are and let the water drain from the eggs as they are on these couple sheets of paper towel, and we will get to smashing up the rest of our ingredients in the bowl, so to add the eggs right into the bowl as the last step of the mix, as the last step of the smash. Let's get it. So moving things over to our smashing station over here, the first thing we will be doing doing is adding in our half avocado here, using that same spoon we used to scoop out the eggs. I like to just reuse things as I'm working and then do a big wash at the end. Scooping in that half of avocado right into the bowl here. Adding in our lemon juice. Adding in our black pepper. I like lots of pepper, as you can see. Adding in some of our Himalayan pink salt, or whichever salt you prefer. Adding in that paprika. Adding in a dash of some apple cider vinegar. Giving this here a good mash together. Now at this point, our eggs over here should be cooled, so we can bring our eggs in and drop them into the mix as well. Mash the eggs up in with the rest. And if you like things more chunky, go on and leave it more chunky. If you like it more smooth, go on and really mash that up there. I like it somewhere in the middle of chunky and super smooth. And then a last ingredient, you're gonna wanna add in your chives, green onions at this point. Give that a good mix in all together. These add some crunch as well. It's super, super good with the tang of the apple cider vinegar. Set your mixture aside, go on and grab your toast. Mine got a little extra toasty here, but it's good to have a solid base for the wetter, heavier ingredients that are gonna go on top. And as you can see, we have a decent amount to go on top. So we're going to need a sturdy enough base to hold all of the topping. Spoon on your mix straight onto the toast. And you can make this into a sandwich. You can do a couple pieces of toast. I just prefer to do one big, hefty, loaded piece of toast. And whatever you don't finish, you can eat. And then guys, as a very last step, an optional step, you can either go on and add some of your ketchup, whatever ketchup you prefer. As I mentioned, this Good Food for Good sweetened with only dates is my current favorite health food ketchup. I love this one. You need a very small amount. It's so super sweet and delicious and healthy all to boot. So much less sugar than traditional ketchup. Give this one a try if you like it. I will have it linked in the description box below. Today though, I will be adding and topping this smashed toast off with my leftover smoked salmon I had in my fridge. I bought a big pack and want to use this up, so I will be topping my toast with the smoked salmon as a last step. I think the smoked salmon flavor is so delicious with the avocado and the egg and the tanginess of the apple cider vinegar. I think it is such a good flavor combo. And it's always that sort of bougie breakfast. Anything with smoked salmon has you feeling like it's a sort of bougie breakfast. So I love this one and these flavors together, but I often just opt for the ketchup on top when I don't have salmon or when I'm in a rush. And voila. This right here is my current favorite breakfast. My poached egg and avo smash toast topped with smoked salmon. I hope you guys love this one as much as I do. I've been making this one seriously every day. It is so fueling and fulfilling. High protein with the salmon on top. You get your healthy fats, the avocado, the toast, you get your healthy carbs, and it's gluten-free. Such a good tasting toast. I will have linked below, mentioned below if you guys want to give this one a try. I will usually have this toast with my healthy high protein smoothie, which will also be linked in the description box below. If you guys like banana and chocolate, this one is the one for you. Check that out below. Please let me know if you guys try this one. Give this video a like because it really supports my channel. Subscribe for weekly health, wellness, and fitness content. I love you guys infinity and always, and I will see you in the Sunday vlog. Until then, stay healthy, fit, golden, beautiful. Eat your healthy fats, eat your protein, and I will see you in the Sunday vlog. Mwah. Bye guys.